Hello, everyone. This is Will Sarsgaard. My system that I designed is a website for a boutique skincare company in the Fort Worth, Texas area. The purpose for this system is to allow current clients to purchase their skincare products online, which they will currently only go into the store to purchase. So they'll be able to do that quickly and easily, and help new clients to find information about the spa and to help the business grow. So this is the homepage of the website. Some of the design decisions I made are that most of these pages are frequently used by users who are familiar with the system. This is the sign in. This is the homepage, but they will be taken to the sign in page by users that have accounts. So they're the current client screens, and they're designed to be a little more dense and fill the page. So this is after you click on the sign in page, you get the pop up window from the main homepage. The user will just type in their username, their password, and they have a forgot password feature if they need to use that. Then once they submit, it will take you to the cart page, which will show you an overview of kind of the purchase history, any account information and payment info that you can update, and some settings that are uploaded by the admin to provide some extra feedback, and we'll get to that later on. So this is also your orders tab, which is where we're heading next, and you can look at your past 5 orders easily. So from the purchase history, you can take a look at your last orders, and it shows you when the last purchase date was, and you're able to add this to your cart directly from here. Again, the top sellers for the company are here on the right hand side of the page. So, and we'll continue on. This is the kind of the order summary page from the cart. Once you make your selections from the prior page or back in the regular shopping mall, you will be presented with the order summary once you go to your cart. So it breaks down what you're buying. There's a few pictures for each one, the price, and then you'll have the option for coupon code and your checkout amounts for shipping, tax, and so on. So moving on, the checkout place order. This is where you would input your shipping and billing information. The information can be pre-filled, but if you have an account already set up, this will all be saved information to make it quicker for checkout. And once you place order, you will be presented with the confirmation page, and it will display your orders and give you the confirmation code and all that. So that's kind of that does. So this is biasing for the people that have never been to the site before, these set of slides. So this is the opportunity to create a new account, create an online profile, and or sign in to the site. So this is the first time that many people will be using these pages, so I made it sort of straight to the point and very easy to use. And it directs the attention to sort of the middle of the screen for the call to action. So we'll move on here. This is creating the account. This is where you can set up all of your account information within the website, so it could be stored and used for later use, such as the purchasing that we've done in the first set of slides. Security questions, you'll log in, put in your login details, and all of your personal emergency contact. The emergency contact is since there are some skincare treatments, in case there's a breakout or anything like that, we can contact someone. Online profile, these would be questions that we will ask if you have any allergies, and I probably should have written out the questions, but there'll be a few questions regarding any skin allergies, what kind of lotions you prefer, and that kind of thing. So it gives the opportunity to a new person to fill out this questionnaire. So this is the appointment scheduler. There is a way. So this is the button here to schedule appointments online. You're able to click within the calendar date and move back and forth to different dates. Once you click on the date, the next screen will pop up to select an appointment time. Only appointment times for the for this person will be available within the select time. So if a 9 o'clock is not available, 9 o'clock will not be available on the selected time. So you'll select the treatment type, any notes that the user wants to make, and then they'll just confirm the appointment. And this is the confirmation page. They'll get an email as well. From this page, they'll be able to modify or cancel, and they'll be able to do that same thing from the email also. Again, it gives the chance to do some shopping with some of the top sellers for the website. All right, and we'll move on to the mobile. So the mobile site I designed for, obviously there's a lot less space to work with on a smartphone. So this design maximizes space by moving the navigation bar at the bottom. And it actually, once you start scrolling, the navigation bar will disappear, as well as the logo will get a little smaller. So this image on the right-hand side is kind of what it looks like when you start scrolling. And this is a bias towards that first set of slides, so logging in, going through, and doing some shopping. So obviously efficiency and functionality is big in a mobile device, and the design is simple and includes less design elements to provide kind of a streamlined checkout process. So this is the sign-in page. So you will just be prompted once you start shopping or go to your cart. You're able to sign in. I believe it's so once you press on cart, it'll automatically prompt you to sign into this screen here, and it's similar to what you'll see on the site, the desktop site. So this is the shopping cart. This is after you've created your cart basically, and you've selected what items you want to purchase. This is the breakdown. You have the breakpoint here. I've extended out the screen slightly. So you'd have to scroll down a little bit to select the continue shopping, but the checkout function is here. So the next screen here, once you click checkout, your shipping address is pre-filled. You have the ability to either select ship here, you can edit the address, or delete this address here. You can also add another address if you're shipping to another location, and you would press the ship here button. So once you click ship here, it will take you on to the next page, which is the shipping method. You could select the options for shipping, payment, and then you can also add a card. So this is pre-filled cards that have been used in the past, and these will be able to add new cards. This provides the totals, and once you hit continue, it will give you an overview of what you're buying, where you're shipping it, what your payment method is, and once you scroll down past the breakpoint, you will see the totals and the total amount that will be placed. So that is my design for both desktop and mobile, and hope you enjoyed.